Hey everyone! Welcome back to ABC Hosting, your go-to channel for all things web hosting, server security, and online freedom. I'm Nat, and today we're diving into a super important topic: how to make a web server secure. If you're running a website, a blog, or any online platform, keeping your server safe is not just important, it's absolutely critical. Hackers are always looking for vulnerabilities, and one small mistake can put all your hard work at risk. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to protect your web server. We'll cover the best practices, essential tools, and tips that even beginners can follow. And at the end, I'll also tell you how QloudHost can help you get the most secure server setup without the usual hassles. So make sure to stick around till the end. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a tip on hosting, security, and online freedom, alright? Now let's see what we'll cover today. Here's a quick roadmap of our video. Understanding the common security threats to your web server. Essential steps to secure your server, including software updates, firewalls, and strong passwords. How to implement SSL certificates and encryption for data safety, using access controls and permissions properly. And finally, how QloudHost provides an ultra-secure, DMCA ignored offshore hosting solution for your web server. So let's get started. Step 1. Know your threats. Hackers often exploit outdated software, weak passwords, unsecured ports, or misconfigured servers. Understanding these risks is the first step to prevention. Step 2. Keep everything updated. Whether it's your server, OS, software, or CMS like WordPress, always install the latest security patches. Updates often fix vulnerabilities hackers love to exploit. Step 3. Strong passwords and authentication. Use complex passwords for your admin accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This simple step blocks a huge percentage of attacks. Step 4. Firewalls and security tools. A properly configured firewall can filter malicious traffic before it even reaches your server. You can also install security software like Fail2Ban, Mod Security, or server monitoring tools to keep your site safe. Step 5. SSL certificates and encryption. This ensures that all data transmitted between your server and your visitors is encrypted, making it much harder for hackers to intercept. Step 6. Access controls and permissions. Only give server access to trusted people and make sure file permissions are properly set to avoid unauthorized modifications. And here's a bonus tip: regular backups. Always keep offline and cloud backups so that even if something goes wrong, your data is safe and can be restored quickly. Now, if you're serious about maximum server security, I highly recommend checking out QloudHost. Why? Well, they offer 100% DMCA ignored hosting services, meaning your content is fully protected and secure. QloudHost servers are located in offshore locations, which adds an extra layer of privacy and protection. Whether it's videos, blogs, or sensitive data, you can host your content without worrying about censorship or takedowns. Plus, they provide robust security measures and high uptime, so your website is always safe and online. I've dropped the link in the description below. Go check it out and see how easy it is to make your server both fast and ultra secure. If you still have questions about server security or anything we covered today, please drop your comments below. I love hearing from you, and I'll make sure to answer each question personally. And that's a wrap for today's video. Remember, a secure server means a worry-free website. Keep your software updated, passwords strong, firewalls active, and consider hosting with a trusted provider like QloudHost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.